Hello guitar players. When you take a guitar solo, does it sound more like patterns and scales or does it sound like music? Well, I've got 3 fixes for you and they're really easy and very effective. Stay tuned. Playing patterns, not music. Here we go. Playing the patterns. Hey, just because you got 6 strings on the guitar doesn't mean you have to play all 6 of them in the same measure. Don't get hung up playing the entire pattern over and over again. Cut the pattern down to size, little chunks of patterns. You ever take a walk in the woods? Even the birds are repeating phrases, and they sound great. Another reason your solos sound like patterns and not music, because maybe you're afraid to repeat notes. Repeating notes is very cool. You hear that bird? He's singing the same 2 notes. And the space between those notes, that's where a lot of music lies. Here's your bonus solution. 3rd reason why your solos sound like patterns. You're all over the neck. Pick 2 adjacent strings, play a few phrases, then go and move on to another 2 adjacent strings. Next 2 adjacent strings. Back to the first 2 adjacent strings. The other 2. Behind me used to be a river. Maybe when it rains it'll turn into one again. Is your playing feeling kind of dried out as well? I hope this has been helpful. We had 3 solutions to why your solos sound like patterns. 1, stop using the whole pattern. Okay, just use a small chunk of the pattern. 2, don't be afraid to use repetition. Even the birds like it. And 3, use 2 adjacent strings and then move on to another 2 adjacent strings. And if you find this helpful, stay tuned, subscribe. We're going to have some more solutions coming up, not too distant future.